traders, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. In today's video, we are going to analyze Nifty 50 for the last 40 years. The data is that is from the day Nifty 50 was opened at 1000 rupees till today, which is at 24,500. And guess what? This all can be done within 5 minutes. So this PowerBi report is going to amaze you, and the ease with which we can filter data and see whatever you want, like gaps or the day's change or one particular day, is going to blow your mind. Okay, so let's get started. This report page is for the Nifty days change. So here you can see the total trading days were 7,146 days of Nifty trades. Wow. And in these days it moved 23,427, that it started at 1000 rupees. So this only shows the report is so accurate, right? So just to overlook, what we have is, out of these 7,146 days we were 3800 times up, and also up is little higher, that's why we moved up, and the average is around 50.9 and 51.7. And max till today it was 735, the Nifty max move, and minimum move was 1300, which actually happened during this election. So let's get and in this graph we have all the years, right? 95 to should 2024. Okay, let's, and I'm going to show a very interesting fact here. Okay, so let's select, deselect all, and let's select Monday. Okay, so on Monday, what we have? We have 1400 trading days and 761, so a little higher up days. And see this, in this 1422 days, Nifty went up by only 478 points. So this is very good data. So on Mondays, either Nifty went down much or high. Here also we can see that the average down is more than average up, even though the number of times up was more. So this is actually shocking to me. This kind of data I'll never get anywhere. And let's move to Tuesday. And Tuesdays I think are the good, so 7,732 points. So on Tuesdays we got, so max was 708, min was 13, so that's fine. 750 time, 56 time up. So this is actually a very good number. Let's see on Wednesday as well. Almost 8,000 points on Wednesdays. So Wednesdays are more positive. 800 up, 622 times down. Right, and let's say our expiry is Thursday. Okay, 1631 points, still bad, right? On expiries, yeah, either it will go erratic behavior. On Fridays, we have, yeah, decent 5,300 points. So with this, what we can conclude is, on Monday and Thursday, the market doesn't move much in the last 40 years. Okay, and let's see. Since, okay, I want to mention one more point, that this expiry week, weekly, four different expiries on a week came in 2023. So let's select 2023, 2023, and let's go on Thursday how it behaved. Did I select it? Yeah, on 2023 we had 49 trading days, out of which Nifty was up. So Nifty was down more than up in the past year on Thursdays, and total move in the whole year on Thursday is minus 600 points. This is a very interesting data, right? Because we can use it for so many things. Let's see on Bank Nifty expiry, which is Wednesday, 338. It is 33 times up. Nifty, not bad. Out of 52, almost every week. So Wednesday was never a holiday or what? Then let's say Tuesday, Fin Nifty expiry, decent up. Then Monday. See, on 23rd Monday, I got 30 and 50 point, but in last 40 years, it moved down 600 points. That's very interesting, right? So this expiry change has effect because Monday we have mid cap Nifty expiry, so it doesn't affect. So Nifty was up 31 times and down 17 times. Let's say on Fridays, it's even. So basically on expiry only, you don't have a good data. 600 points down. So similarly for 2024, let's see what happened. We had 29 trading days, Thursdays, right? Because almost half a year. Data has changed 30 and 70, and mostly it's up. It's on Wednesday, Tuesday. You can catch O's here. Tuesdays are bad for 2024. Maybe we should find a pattern. Minus 800 points. Maybe this was the big change that happened on Tuesday. More up, more down, then more ups, right? Monday should also see Fridays. Let's say a random year. Let's say 2018. 2018. Let's say Monday. 357 points. Friday was less, no, 34 points. And on Thursdays, 34 1 is 166. So every year has its own flavors. So to show this, we can, if we keep analyzing, we can analyze for the days, right? So let's go to gap. So this is the report. It shows Nifty gaps. So total again same, and Nifty down. This again we saw that is 53% time Nifty was up, and gaps are 62% up. Gap ups and 35 down. And let's say if you want to choose on Thursdays how gap up, gap down performed. So 61% up and 35 down, not bad. And let's say for the year 2024, Thursdays are good, 70%, 20 ups and 9 downs, right? That's good. Let's say 2023, it's even 53.46. This shows big. Let's say 2020. What year is this? 2010. 2010 was good. Bullish 39.11. 75%. Wow. The next year is bad, I guess. 2011. 40. See, gap downs some more. See how quickly we can analyze this, right? Such an easy way to analyze last 40 years of data. Let's do select all and try to analyze the year. Let me select 2024. Select. Okay, so 138 days of trading over, 57 down, 80 up, so still are bullish, and ups are almost 67 up. So this is a good year, bullish year till now. 58 and it up 40. So let's see 23 how it worked. 5 trading days. See, again, 23 was a bullish year, 68% up. Yeah, just imagine how easy to analyze. And I want to show you before the time runs out one more graph. This actually is beautiful. Okay, so here we have the 40 years of data of all the expiries. What day Nifty was up, Nifty was see. The last expiry, Nifty was down all the 5 days. And the total move was 395 total points from Friday to Thursday. In that, two times up, three times gap down. And on Thursday, this was the move. Nifty gap is okay. One, so it gapped down today, right? Almost 29 points. And let's say if I want to see on 18th expiry, on this expiry, what happened on Friday. So I'll go choose filter out with Friday. So it shows me on Friday it was Nifty is down 270 points, and but it was a gap up, 52 points gap up, but down 70 points on 18th of that weekend Friday. So see the agility, how easily you can analyze, right? Okay, I don't want to go in more in detail. If you want any more details, let me know. Feel free to comment, and I'm happy to share this report with you guys. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.